First, adjust hair volume at the nape area with more hair volume. And then, do slanting texturizing with this combination again. Adjust hair volume at hair roots and the middle of the hair, to reduce hair volume and make hair fluffy. Use single straight scissors to create simple and neat contour line. Cut the layers with 2 straight scissors combined together, to create soft hair ends. It's also simple and easy to do slide cutting with these 2 scissors. Create light and wispy effects for this hairstyle by slanting texturizing. I design a unique short and thin fringe with the same tool and finish my work. If you like this video, don't hesitate to click like it. More haircut video clips on YouTube. Welcome to subscribe. Click the bell next to the subscribe button to get the notifications of latest videos. You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.